meron daw akong sinabi. Sabi ko, about the case. Sabi ko, I don't know anything about the case. Kaufman is not discussing anything about the case. You know that, Mr. Kaufman. I have not asked a single paper from you on whatever it is that you are doing, so I cannot talk about the case. And also, nung time na yun, 5 minutes bago matapos, sinabihan na lang ako na isususpend daw ako. Ang sabi pa nga ni PRD, doon sa lalaki na nagsabi nun, sabi niya, you cannot do that. Ginanyan niya. Kasi, you know, he is expecting me. He knows that this is my turn. This is my time right now. This is my schedule to visit him. And, you know, ako kasi nurse, di ba, na-assess ko siya. Yung first time ko na, itong visit ko na ito, the only day na visit ko siya, nung pagdating ko talaga, straight from the airport, nilagay ko lang yung gamit ko sa hotel, na in-assess ko na siya, nakita ko na yung dito niya, malalim. Yun. Tapos, check ko sa kanya, control ang emotions ko na ano. Tapos, nun, after nung just 5 minutes, saka ako nilapitan nung lalaki, sabi niya, suspend daw. And this is exactly what the PRD said. You cannot do that, sinabi niya. Tapos, the following day, wala na akong visit. Sabi ko sa kanya, I don't say anything about the case. All I tell him is, he asks me usually about the news. I'm sure the same kami ng sinabi ni VP, kasi news yun eh. Pareho kami ng sinabi ni VP, kasi narinig niya rin yun sa news. Kaya nga sabi ni VP, di ba, narinig niyo ba yun? Kayo nagsabi nun, di ba, na may 7 or 9 warnings ako. I didn't receive any. You know, ito lang ang masasabi ko. Sinabi ko na kay Mr. Kaufman. Sabi ko, wala namang, alam ko, I have nothing against you, pero please do not deprive us of, you know, asking other people or asking legal opinions from other lawyers also. Pero we acknowledge you as his lawyer. Pero sabi ko nga sa kanya, baliktad tayo. Asawa mo, ikaw kaya ang nasa loob. Ano kaya ang gawin ng asawa mo? You know, the last time, every time I go there, I tell him, he would always ask, PRD would always ask, ano na, kumusta na?